Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
I said, ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm now. I said, ooh, mirror, mirror, smoking body.
Today, we're diving into the world of high-protein meal prep. Perfect for anyone following a carnivore or high-protein diet. I've got 5 delicious and simple meals that will make your week so much easier. Let's get into it. First up, sausage and egg cups. These are super easy to make and perfect for breakfast on the go. Whether you're rushing out the door or just want a quick, nutritious meal, these cups have got you covered. Start by chopping and cooking sausage meat. You can use any type of sausage you prefer, whether it's pork, turkey, or other options. You can put a sausage at the bottom and a sausage on top if you choose. So next, crack an egg into each sausage-lined cup. Make sure the egg is centered and the yolk is intact for the best results. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overcook. These sausage and egg cups are perfect for meal prepping. You can make a batch on Sunday and have a delicious, protein-packed breakfast ready for the entire week. They reheat wonderfully, maintaining their flavor and texture. Just pop them in the microwave for a quick reheat and enjoy a hot, satisfying breakfast in minutes. Next, we've got bacon-wrapped chicken tenders. You can bacon wrap just about any meat wrap each tender with a strip of bacon, season with black pepper, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy. These are great as a snack, lunch, or even a party appetizer. Trust me, everyone will love them. Now for a hearty option, pork chop skillet. Season your pork chops generously. If you choose to use seasoning, sear them in a hot skillet until brown, then pour in some bone broth and let it simmer. The result? Juicy, tender pork chops that are bursting with flavor. Perfect for dinner or meal prep. How about some lamb meatballs for a Mediterranean twist? These flavorful bites are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a festive gathering. Start by mixing ground lamb with fresh oregano, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Only if you use seasonings. Otherwise, just use salt. Don't forget to add an egg to bind everything together. The egg helps keep the meatballs moist and tender while adding a rich flavor. Once your mixture is ready, shape it into small, even-sized meatballs using your hands. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This ensures they are cooked through and have a nice crispy exterior. Serve these delectable lamb meatballs with a side of creamy Greek yogurt, which complements the spices perfectly. You can also enjoy them as is for a delicious protein boost. They make a great appetizer or main course and are sure to be a hit with everyone at the table. Finally, let's make a super simple carnivore chili. Brown ground beef in a pot. Add a small spoon of tomato paste and your favorite spices like smoked paprika and garlic powder if you use seasonings. Let it simmer until it thickens. It's rich, flavorful, and keeps well in the fridge for days. And there you have it. After following these simple steps, you can now enjoy a variety of delicious, high-protein meals that are perfect for any meat lover. We've covered 5 easy, high-protein meals that are not only nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. From juicy steaks to tender chicken breasts, these meals are sure to satisfy your protein needs and keep you energized throughout the day. But before we go, let's slip in a bonus meat snack. How about some fried fatback as a crispy treat throughout the day? But don't forget to boil the salt out of your meat before frying. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated, right? With a little planning and the right ingredients, you can prepare multiple meals in one go, saving you time and effort during the busy week. Just imagine opening your fridge and having a variety of ready-to-eat, high-protein meals at your fingertips. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any variations you might come up with. Sharing your experiences can help others in our community discover new and exciting ways to enjoy these recipes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious, protein-packed recipes. Your support helps us create more content that you love. See you next time, and happy cooking.
Look down there. See that like button? Hit that like button for me, please. Thank you, and subscribe. See you later.
I said, ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm that. I said, ooh, mirror, mirror, smoking body crack. I said, ooh, this body banger, bitch, you need a plot. I said, ooh, God, why I gotta be so damn fine? I said, ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm that. I said, ooh, mirror, mirror, smoking body crack. I said, ooh, this body banger, bitch, you need a plot. I said, ooh, God, why I gotta be so damn fine? So far ahead of my lane, couldn't get there before me if you was even on the plane. Bitch, I walk around like I'm Rihanna and keep umbrella, I make it rain. Boy, you knew I had somewhere to go, you couldn't block my path, boy, I think you a train. You know I had somewhere be to go. Sexy, baby stallion, Barbie, boy, I look like a star. I've been alive at a party, they try to make me just think that I wanted a part. Bitches bottom shelf, look hungover, I walk in looking fine wine. Thinking close the